Parkman, we're in West Virginia. Amanda Parkman, our video person.
It's winter time, everybody. So it's all
Donish Wasim. Alright,
no.
we're gonna ding dong ditch these people.
We're cousins, they're cousins, and me and her are sisters.
Alright,
I mean, brother and sister.
come on.
Not sisters. Alright, we're gonna go ding dong ditch them. This one we're gonna go for first. Alright, scoop your feet.
You go up. You go up first.
Me? Alright, no, me. There he goes. Alright, head up, go, 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 go. Move up, go. Alright, here we go. Go, go, go. Alright, quick, quick, go. Wait, I'll through the window. Go through the window. I hit the door though. Door to the window. You get to No. I got through the window last time, Donish. See anybody? No. Alright.
What do you want?
Run!